Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a pink fill on my client. It has been about 3 weeks since her last fill, and we're going to be doing a cute dark toned design, something simple, nothing too crazy, because my client is a manager, a nurse manager, I believe, so she needs to have her nails looking in a certain manner, which I totally get because some jobs are really precise about how they want your nails to look. So yeah, right now I'm going in and drilling away the old design. Always remember, when doing this step, you don't want to over drill. You just want to drill enough to remove the top coat, because we're not debulking the nail. We're literally just removing what was there so that we can fill in the part that has grown out. Going in and pushing back the cuticles like I usually do. This basically helps in giving you space so that when you're filling the nails, you're not flooding the cuticles. It just shows, basically it exposes, I'm sorry, not shows, it exposes the new growth. I know that some people don't cut cuticles, but I like to show you guys kind of a real life situation when I'm cutting cuticles. You just want to be as careful as possible. And if you're not comfortable, that's also fine. You can just push the cuticles back. You can use a needle bit to get under there. And then there are also little buffer ball bits that you can use to just buff away the cuticle if you prefer that method. Alright, so now I'm filling the first finger. I'm actually going to go over the entire nail just because I feel like it was a little thin and I'm already applying a bead, so I'm just going to go ahead and go over the nail entirely because I never want my clients' nails breaking or doing anything weird. So I love doing this step sometimes. It's not always needed, but it definitely does increase the strength of the nail. I think this is my client's third fill on this set, so that is really the reason that I'm going over the entire nail, just to be safe, because she's going to end up doing a new set the next time she comes. So I just want to make sure that we don't have any hiccups. I purposely left this part in the video. When I move over to her thumb, you're going to see that it's a little crinkled. It's because the gel polish did not dry correctly in the lamp. So what I'm going to do to fix this is just buff the nail and then reapply the gel polish. Also, my phone died, so I was unable to record top coating the index and the thumb finger, but you guys get the gist of it.